Daddy. Daddy.
Go get her. Go get her.
Ah! You better be gentle. Be gentle with baby girl.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh, here she comes.
Such a beauty. You're so pretty.
She just loves that thing. It's such a fun little dog.
You need to get her a little dog.
I know, huh?
Yeah, right.
We can barely handle the two kids that we have.
Short-haired. We're talking $60 a month to get her groomed.
Oh, goodness.
No. Get you a mutt from the pound. No, I wouldn't take anything for her. But no. I wish I could have known Wee Wee Shields. She was fabulous. She showed up at my door one time. It was hilarious.
Really?
I'm talking to Mom. And I'm like, Ma, there's a dog in my foyer. And I was like out on my steps, and I was like, Granny, there's a dog in my foyer.
Isn't that funny? It just picked you.
I took the kids, took it to the
Can you
bus
pet the doggy?
stops and everything. We couldn't find. That was the best dog in the world. I had her for like 12 years.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah. She got breast cancer.
You finally caught up to her.
Little dog.
Oh.
Oh, God. Send me that. Oh, Lord.
Is that a good doggy?
I like the little shields. I like her. Peekaboo. Say hi, Peekaboo.
Be gentle with the doggy, Ella. Be gentle. Can you give him hugs? Gentle. Whoa, it's quick, huh?
Silly.
Yeah, dude.
Silly. She's silly girl.
Whoa.
Yeah, run around.
What do you think about that?
You just sit and watch it.
What do you think?
Can you wave? Ella, wave.
Believe it?
Wave.